Hi there, it's Elden here, and today I wanted to talk to you about pain and benefit solutions and challenges and how we implement these into our sales copy. Now, I'm going to give you four ad copies that you can download for free and start moving your content into these different boxes, so to speak. And what you'll see is that as we implement these four pieces of our content into the patterns that I'll lay out for you in those downloads, you can start to structure and quickly see how you can build a sales copy in a way that it might be a little easier for you to get the ball rolling and start feeling like you have a handle on this and are able to make good sales copy. Now, one of the things I want to stress here is that you really need to do this on a personal level, if at all possible. When you start selling, people are very aware today of what sales is and when they're being sold to. And just like I've said before, people are buying results, not the product. So when we do our sales, quite often we end up, or sales copy rather, quite often we end up going back to what we knew, and that was being sold to. And it's a common mistake that everybody goes through. But as you learn to be more personable and put yourself out there honestly, you'll start to see that your sales will increase because of your honesty, and people will read through that. This is why I wanted to touch this on another video, but I've chosen to do it here. And that is, you can't just take somebody else's copy and change a couple words and call it your own. And the reason for that is that you need to be vibrating with that message. Now, it might be that you found a message that you connect with, and good on you if you do, but 9 times out of 10, the place where you've grabbed that copy doesn't resonate with you completely, and your audience will know that, and they will I don't know how this works, but they will perceive that from you and know that you're not being completely genuine with them. So as you build your copy, keep this in mind, that you need to be really, really honest with yourself. And as you build out this content, as I show you in the next couple moments here, if you're really honest, it's going to flow and be true to you. And when that happens, people will get to know, like, and trust you even more. And okay, so let's have a look at this. So this is one of the copies that I'm going to have available for you down below. So as a common bond, we have emotion butted up against pain. And here's what we've done to benefit even when there's a challenge, and then we give our solution. So I'm going to talk about motorcycles. I used to ride motorcycles a lot as a kid, and because of an accident actually from my brother-in-law, we don't ride motorcycles anymore. We got a Mercedes convertible instead, which I really enjoy, though I do miss riding my motorcycle. So we'll talk about that. As a motorcycle enthusiast, we have the thrill of riding down the open road. But we all know that driving a motorcycle amongst other traffic can be very dangerous. And here's what we've done to ride more safely and spend more time on the road with our family and loved ones, even when we're driving in heavy traffic. Our muffler system looks cool and sounds awesome, warning others around us of who and where we are. Something like that. So you can see how very quickly something like this can really come together and resonate with your target audience very quickly. And if you're honest and genuine, I just kind of made that up off the top of my head, and with a few more tweaks, a little more time spent on it, we could have a really solid ad for some type of muffler system on your motorcycle. Now you can apply this to anything really, and it's a matter of using the pain points and the emotion and the benefits and the solution all at the right time to create the tension that you need in your customer or client to bring an awareness about a potential problem that they may not even be aware of. And by doing that, we draw them closer into our world. So let me show you a little bit how this works. So as a common bond, we're talking motorcycles today. And as we do this emotion, if I could have come up with a stronger emotion, it would tie back to this common bond even stronger so, and build that connection even more. And you want to have your pain point butted up against this so there's a juxtaposition taking place. And the more dramatic that you can make the pain point without being unrealistic, but yet truthful, the more clarity that that potential person is going to have about your product. Now, the benefit, people buy results. They don't buy products, they buy the result that that product will give them. So when you can add a really nice result from that product, the better off you are, and the closer you will resonate to your common person. And now we introduce the challenge again in a way that corresponds to the pain that we have here. And the challenge is just the same kind of problem written in a different way or said in a different way if you're using this in a video format. And then of course our solution answers all of this as a whole. So that's really how it works. And the other ad copies that I've made available for you down below are structured similarly but have a different pattern about them. And you might see solution and mechanism in different parts of those ad copies. And a mechanism is very similar to a solution, really. It's just another tool or a means of solving a problem. So I hope you enjoyed this. It made a lot of sense for me when I knew or seen how to put these together in a way that flowed and was easy to follow. It made writing my sales copy a lot easier to do. And you probably want to do at least 4 to 5 of these and see which one resonates best with you. And when you can weave in your story and your feelings and emotions into that sales copy, it's going to be a very powerful sales copy because you are pitching to yourself. And if you've bought this product and you believe in this product, other people are going to believe in it as well. It's just the law of attraction. It's going to happen that way. You will attract people who are like-minded like you. And this is why you need to be so truthful in your ad copy. Okay, I hope this has helped you, and please leave a comment and share, like. I would appreciate all of those things. And if you'd like to learn more about where I learned this stuff, you can click the link that's just a little bit further down below, and it'll take you to the 4% challenge, where it's going to take your affiliate marketing business to a completely different level than where you may be at right now. And with that, thanks for watching. I've got a couple more of these sales copy videos coming up, so we'll see you in a few days. Thanks for watching. Bye.